Doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty good. And so let us start with our introduction. Could you please
Uh,
introduce yourself?
well, my name is Jasmir Alam, and I'm from West Bengal. Right now, I'm pursuing my BA Psychology first year.
Oh,
And
well,
if I
that's
talk
great.
about my hobbies, I like to play cricket and watching English videos on YouTube. That's all.
Okay. Oh, that's enough. Yeah, that's great actually. And as you know, I am Pradeep. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation in third year. I'm in third year now in the Department of Civil Engineering. And yeah, as you know, I have a YouTube channel. And yeah, my coming to my hobbies, I like to read books, watching movies, listen to music. That's all.
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah. So Dashmir, what do you want to talk about? I mean, is there any topic, or you just want to have a casual conversation?
Yeah, right now I don't have any particular topic. You tell.
Yeah, I don't have anything. So yeah, I don't have any topic to.
Yeah, yeah, right now. Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm getting a call.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah. Then go on. I mean, what do you? Who is your favorite actor? Actually, yeah.
Actor.
Yes.
I think if I talk about our education, it would be good. I don't know.
I'm sorry, I'm getting a continuous call. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. Okay, go
Oh,
on.
okay. I thought said that we are talking about our school days. Like,
Oh,
what
wow.
did you do? Yeah,
Yeah, that's
because
a great
because
topic. Yeah, please go on.
because I don't like to talk about celebrities. That's why.
Oh, wow. That's okay. That's okay with. That's fine with. Go on. What did you
Yeah,
do, and what is your favorite memories? School memories are always best. Go on.
yeah. When I came into in English in school, that time I was in West Bengal.
Okay.
And right now I completed my 10th, my intermediate from Bihar board.
Okay.
Yeah, actually I have been living in a hostel over here in Bihar last 6 years, but right now I am out of that hostel. Right
Okay.
now at yeah, right now at my home.
Yeah, me too. Me either.
Yeah,
Because of the coronavirus pandemic, we were sent to our homes from the hostels.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I have a question that you are from English medium.
yes, yes. I am
Yeah.
from. Yeah. I say
Uh,
from.
yeah, I want to know that at the beginning time, what kind of thing they teach in English?
Actually, we. Uh, it's it's just a fact. I mean, just the fact that we are from English medium, but we can't understand the whole class in English. Yeah, we request our teachers to teach in our native language only. I mean, mother tongue only. But
Yeah, yeah.
but as we are going upper classes, yeah, we can able to understand the class in English. So from the eighth class, I think eighth or ninth, yeah, our classes will be. I mean, our classes would be in English medium only. Yeah.
I think at the beginning they used to teach just grammar and books.
Okay, you are talking about the subject in English. Yeah, yeah.
They are not. They don't used to teach like spoken English.
Yes, no, they're just following the syllabus curriculum. Yeah,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
just follow the lessons. Yeah, they used to teach the lessons in English and the grammar part. and that's it for the exam purpose only.
Uh, as my knowledge concerned, that if you are in a school, like first you enter in a school, and if you started learning English, and you don't have English environment, and you start learning English, and they are teaching you the syllabus like grammar and books, then you will feel very bored, I think, at that time.
Yeah, actually, my English teachers are, uh, l- uh, I mean, they teach our classes in a different way. In yeah, according the in according, I mean, along with the grammar part in the lessons, and they used to teach in oral classes too. They conduct some activities related to English to speak on to get onto the stage and speak in English. Yeah, my English teachers used to do that. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Because I
yeah,
know that I have seen lots of English medium student, but they says that I am from English medium school, but they are not fluent in English. Then I thought there would be some particular reason. That's why they are not able to speak more.
yes,
That's why.
uh,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, actually, it's a joke that it's a common joke in our school. We are from English medium, but we can't speak in English. That's a joke in our school days. But yeah, but we got some input about the language, about the grammar, and how to speak in English from our teachers. But we don't have the environment to speak in English because if we speak in English, our friends will make a joke with us. I mean, make a joke. So in that case, we don't have that maturity to yeah to to speak in English. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah,
if we yeah we have a thought that if I speak in English, they'll make a jokes on me. Yeah. But
yeah. And
after my school days, in my college, I mean, we have the environment to speak in English. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Sorry, I mean,
Because
I have interrupted you. Go on.
yeah, when I have watched your first video, that time you are not able to speak more. Then I
Yeah.
thought he said that he is from English medium, and now we are speaking well. I think it's a effect of clapping.
Yes, yes, I should admit it because of the clapping go, I tend to overcome my I mean nervousness and the hesitation to speak in English. Yeah, I should admit it. It's all from clapping. Yeah.
You know, I think I can understand your thoughts problem, because there is a thoughts in your mind, but you are not able to express your thoughts properly.
Yes, you have understood me well. Like yeah, I have great thoughts. I mean, when I want to speak, the words will not come. I fumble a lot, but now I'm working on it. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
what?
because yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry, you're saying something.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I forgot what I was to say.
Okay, then and just asking you that how is your I mean, how is your practice going on? What are the
Yeah,
ways to what are the ways you do? I mean, what are the strategies you follow to improve your English?
yeah, most of the time I watch videos on YouTube, like I watch most Clappingo, like Clappingo Camly. I usually watch conversation videos.
Okay.
And here
Yeah.
I also practice at my home by
Mm,
writing.
wow, that's a great. I
Yeah.
mean, do you write diaries or stories? Do you? I mean, are you a writer? I mean,
No, no,
yeah. Yeah.
I'm just
Just
practicing. Yeah, I'm just practicing of my English. I'm not a writer and something else.
okay, I thought you were writing some poems or stories. Yeah, that's great actually.
Yeah,
That is also part of. I mean, to improve. That is also part to improve our language.
yeah,
LSRW. Have you heard about LSRW?
yeah. I have heard it.
Yeah, if you do all the four in a day, in a daily basis, you will definitely improve your English. So, I mean, so what are the YouTube channels you follow to improve your English?
Yeah, I think I have been following almost Kalapingo user YouTube channel.
Okay, that's good. So, uh, have you taken the subscription or you just watching the videos?
Right now I'm just watching the video. I think after some time I will take the subscription.
Okay, so as far as you're watching the video, who is the tutor you like the most? I mean, who is your favorite tutor?
Yeah, I have two favorite tutor like one is Dibyam sir and the second is Parveen Khan.
Wow, I heard the most. I mean, I heard the most these people. I mean, these names from the people. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Divyan Jain sir and Parveen Khan. Yeah, Parveen Khan ma'am.
Because
So
both have them good skill to the correct others mistake.
yes,
I
yes,
have
you're
seen that.
right. They're
Yeah.
so friendly and they correct our mistakes without. I mean, yeah, in a good way. Yeah.
Yeah. Yesterday night I had a call with Sonam.
Oh, yeah. You have also joined uh, in our Skype meeting.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I have
Yes,
seen just now.
yesterday I had a call with her,
Okay,
and
so that's great.
well, while talking to her, I was feeling less confident and I was feeling shy.
But
As
you are talking confidently now. You have
uh,
yeah,
right now I'm
yeah,
talking to you confidently.
yeah,
Because
yeah, that's the process.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, if you keep on talking to the different people, you will definitely gain the confidence to speak in English. Yes.
Uh, that's why I started messaging to others to have a call because there is no one who is speaking English.
Yeah, in your in your surroundings. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
great. Yeah, you are doing a great job actually to improve your English. Yeah. So, what are your plans today? I mean, what are you plan? What are you going to do after our conversation?
Yeah, I don't have fixed plan. What will I do?
Okay.
Yeah,
No.
I have some little work, no that hard work.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't get you. Can you please repeat it?
I said that I don't have that kind of hard work after my
Okay, nature.
conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, um, what else? And you are playing cricket. I mean, as you said that you have a hobby of playing cricket, right?
Yeah.
Are you watching the? I mean, the actually I am not a. Uh, uh, I mean, I don't watch cricket, but I also I don't understand cricket. I'm sorry, but yeah, who is your favorite cricketer? I just want to know that.
Uh, no, my favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni.
Wow, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And what
I
else?
also I also don't used to watch cricket. I started watching in this year in this IPL.
Well, IPL. So yeah, I
And
think
I
CSK
was
has won yesterday's match. I think. Yeah.
yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
If
Uh,
I'm correct. Yeah.
Yesterday they won the match.
Wow, that's great
Yeah.
to hear. And what else? What else, Dashmir?
Yeah. You ask me something.
Mm, so, do you listen to music? I mean, is it Hindi songs?
Yeah, I used to listen a lot when I was
You're in.
in when I was in school during
Okay.
school time because
Okay.
nowadays I have reduced is I'm not listening that much.
Okay. Yeah, I am also a great listener to music. Can you suggest me a Hindi song to listen because I'm trying to learn Hindi, but yeah, I don't have any
Yeah, you
anyone
know
to practice.
I usually listen to Arijit Singh. Do you know him?
Arjit Singh, yeah, I have listened to his songs, and my current favorite is तेरी नजरों में है तेरे अगर तुम साथ हो song.
Yeah. This is from Tamasha
I'm
film.
obsessed with this song. Yes,
Yeah.
Tamasha. Yes.
And
Actually, I haven't
that,
watched the movie, but I loved the song. And
yeah.
and also I heard that it's a breakup song. But even I'm single, I am when I'm listening to that song, I felt that I'm a broken up person.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's the magic of him, Ajit Singh.
Uh,
His
and
voice.
and nowadays I'm listening to Darshan Rawal. Do you know him?
No, I don't.
Darshan
Darshan.
Rawal. Darshan
Okay,
Rawal.
okay,
He's from Gujarat.
okay. What is your favorite song?
Yeah. If I talk about my favorite song, that I think I don't have favorite song. I
Okay,
didn't
that
choose as my favorite.
okay. You that's good. And yes. And what are you up to after a conversation? I mean, what are you
Uh,
going to do? Yeah,
I said that I don't have fixed
you're
plan.
planning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. It's a nice. I think. Yeah, I had to attend my online classes now.
Yeah, yeah,
Well, yeah, it's great talking to you, Dashmir,
yeah,
and
yeah.
nice meeting you. I forgot to say that. Nice meeting you.
Uh,
It's a pleasure
uh,
talking to you.
no, while talking to you, I felt confidence. I don't
Thank
know
you.
why.
Thank you so much, and yeah, thanks for the compliment.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. And keep on maintaining that confidence while while speaking to other persons too. Uh, yeah. Hope you all the best for your future endeavors.
yeah. Thanks for
Nice
that.
conversations with you. Have a great day. Bye.
Yeah.